space. But let's get talking about the technicals. Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joins in on the show to discuss what he's strategizing at the end of this week. Hi, welcome to the show, Sacchitanand. What is your call both on the Nifty as well as the mid-caps, considering that in the past couple of trading sessions there was a lot of momentum, though there was intraday volatility, but today there's a bit of caution?
Good afternoon, Ekta. I think markets clearly, if you look at Nifty, it has been locked in well within a particular band. As Mangalam rightly said, the level about 17,300 would be critical, and I think that particular level is where its 20-day exponential moving average is also placed. And on the lower side, 17,188 is the 5-day exponential moving average support for the Nifty. So I think Nifty is oscillating well within this particular band. After a good strong run up throughout the week, we are seeing some bouts of consolidation. I think this consolidation is still healthy. If you look at the market participation, though the advanced decline ratio is almost 50-50 today, but if you look at the last few days performance, mid caps have been rising steady. So I think it's a very specific market when it comes when we look at today's trading session. But when it comes to Nifty, I think clear cut, once we have a sustained breakout above 17,330, we may see a momentum again getting back in the market, and probably we may see this particular level getting elevated towards 17,580 eventually in the coming weeks. So net, I think it's a good market wherein stocks should be accumulated. When it comes to Nifty, I think the stop loss is very clear. 17,160 is where you have to place your stop losses on a closing basis and look for buying opportunities.
Okay, look for buying opportunities, and this is a stock-specific market. So let's take our cue from there. Sacchitanand, good afternoon. What are the individual stocks that you're looking at? We've had a fairly decent run in, names, say in the auto space. You've had a good pickup in names like Titan. What are you looking at?
Good afternoon, Sonia. Sonia, I think we are clearly focused on where the trend has been very strong. So one particular stock that has been on our radar is Blue Star from the mid-cap area. If you look at the last 8 weeks, it has maintained its tail above its 5-week exponential moving average. It is close to its lifetime high now. If you look at the weekly structure, we have a bullish rising 3 formation, which is a very rare candlestick pattern, and probably it is exhibiting that the stock could scale higher towards its life high levels, which is placed at around 1240, 1225. So a good trading opportunity is presented here. The stop loss should be placed at 1105. Still trading longs should be initiated for a pattern target of around 1240. The other stock, the other pocket of strength today, surprisingly, is the chemical space, and within that particular space, Deepak Nitrate, the structure has been, improving very well. So if you look at the data from October 2021, there was a clear-cut downtrend, which was, which turned recently from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. Again, if you look at the weekly structure, there we have a bullish. A breakout from a falling wedge formation even on the daily scale. The price target of this particular pattern is placed somewhere close to 2230. So still fresh longs can be added in Deepak Nitrate. The stop loss should be placed at 2120.
Okay, all right. We're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in, and have a great weekend as well. We did speak about a couple of stocks, but just watch out for Coal India, because that stock, in fact, is the top gain on a week-to-date basis. It's seeing pressure today, but nonetheless, it's going home, at least at current reckoning, with gains of around 8%. So Coal India is one of the stocks in focus. Before we take a short break, here's some great news for investors. You can now track the US market action real time on Money Control. Log on to Money Control website or the app and stay informed about all that matters in the global markets. Take a break and